Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and today I want to do something that I've never done before, but it's something I'm really excited about. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Uh, Over the last few months, I've written about how I'm switching, or I have switched from a laptop to an iMac Pro and then a iPad Pro for my travel machine. And one of the things I've really been missing is a real, honest to goodness keyboard with like backlit keys and stuff like that. Something that feels, more like a nice Apple keyboard as opposed to the Smartfolio, which is okay, but like it's not backlit. It feels not like a toy really, but like it doesn't feel quite right to me. I have the 10.5 previous generation Brydge keyboard, and so as soon as they opened pre-orders up for the Brydge keyboard for the iPad Pros, I ordered one immediately. So this is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro Brydge keyboard. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to open the box here. So you can see there's the keyboard. There's also a handy dandy guide right here that tells you what the extra keys do and how you can do some extra controls for the keyboard. So I'm sure those will come in handy. So let me put that back in focus there. Good. There's a little flap here that lets me easily lift the keyboard out. And so I got the space gray one to match my iPad. You can see the hinges here. They have a pretty small footprint, but they're really tight. So let's say sturdy. They're really sturdy. I don't want my iPad Pro flying out of them. So those are the hinges. Let's see if we can get a close up here. Smaller footprint than maybe I expected, but looks nice. I also opted for the back. Oops, there's some documentation here. I also opted for the back casing. I liked that protection. Even though I have Apple Care, I like the idea of having a protected back, and it's pretty easy to remove if I want to. So exploring this keyboard again, there's some some helpful documentation here, and then there's the Brydge information. So what else is in this box? Looks like just the charging cable. And the nice thing about the charging cable is it's USB-C, so I can actually charge the keyboard right from the iPad. So let me move this box out of the way now. And place the keyboard there. And then I'll bring in the iPad. So here's the 12.9-inch iPad. It looks like I probably want to do it this way, though I can't really tell. Oh, no, the camera's right here. Don't want to hinge the camera. So let's see. I'm going to stick that right in there. Okay. All right, so that's how it looks. Multiple angles. If I turn the keyboard on, probably have to pair it. So we'll go to settings, Bluetooth, and I'll press the pair button. There we are. So I will press the Brydge Pro, pair it, and it's connected. All right, and it's working. Cool. So let's see. We can turn the backlit keyboards on and off. I know it's not dark in here. We got some play controls here, which is nice. But all in all, I really like this. If I close this, we could see how it looks. Kind of. Well, it's pretty weighty. I mean, it's made of aluminum, I think. So, people have said it doubles the weight of the iPad, and I don't doubt that. And then if I apply the back cover here, like so, fits nicely. Look at that. Looks really nice. Add some extra weight, but again, I mean, I'm sure it pulls out pretty easily too. Let's see if it does. So clamps, yeah, it pulls out relatively easily, so I can just use my iPad if I want, or keep it fixed in the keyboard. Now, the nice thing I like about this versus the Smart Folio is that I can pull it out and then kind of use the keyboard attached or detached, which is good because I have this for my iPad stand right on my desk, so I can use the detached keyboard on my iPad stand. So that's it. That is my Brydge Pro or Brydge Keyboard Pro unboxing. I really like the way it looks. It is heavy, but I like that it's a little bit more, let's say, detachable than the Smart Keyboard. So I'll give this a go for a few weeks to see how I really like it. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up down below. Subscribe to this channel for more great content.